Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our weekly series on research excellence, where everyone here at 360 Digit MG, that is, try to bring the latest research publications to you and the work that has been put in by many people. Joining us today, we have Shiva Kumar, who has had very recently his work published as a research paper. So, good evening, Shiva Kumar, and welcome.
Yes, good evening, Aditi.
So, Shiva Kumar, why don't we go ahead and get started with your project details? You can just, explain
Yes,
the things that you've
yes.
done.
Recently, I worked on a news article summarization project. This is entirely different domain. This is related to media, right? There is a client, leading client, facing the issue. They're collecting the news from this website, entire news into this. This is required more manual intervention, right? So that it's also consuming a lot of time to summarize the articles manually. So this is also affecting the economy of the company also. So we are come up with the solution with the AI solution that using advanced NLP concepts. The main objective of this project is minimize the time taken to summarize the articles and also minimize the manual effort to summarize the articles. So there is some constraints here, minimizing manual intervention, and we set some basic success criteria benchmarks to achieve this our objectives. Minimize the manual effort at least 30%, and also machine learning success criteria means the accuracy should be at least 90%, 95%, and ultimately are saving the cost, right? Economic success criteria, and at least 1 billion US dollars. These are all about the story of this project and business problem.
Okay. So here we have the project architecture. Can you just explain the project architecture that we see on the screen?
Yes. We have collect the news articles from the different websites. Uh, Nowadays, in the digital world, we have a lot of news is generated on daily basis from different domains, right? Sports, business, any public forums, and also some government issues. All these come into the picture on daily basis. Hundreds of news articles are posted into their website that might be collected their reporters by conducting interviews and attending this public meetings and all those things. They are publishing their articles into the website. So we are collecting scraping the data from their websites by using advanced scraping libraries, Scrappy and Beautiful Soup and Request. These are all the packages we are using to extract the data from their websites, and once collect the data from this website, and we are storing into this as AWS S3 bucket, then we can process their entire article into this pre-processing. There is inconsistency in this data. There are some noise, the advertisements, all these things. There is some stop words. So once the clean the data and supplied into, you make a pipeline, entire process from extracting to this entire deployment, we make a pipeline. There, once clean the data, we push into this model building phase. There we try with a lot of models, T5 and Pegasus bot and other models also we tried with, come up with this best out of all the models. We come up with the best model, choose the best model. And based on the evaluation metrics, we are using ROG and Blue score. And the final results shared to this, and again, we push into the S3 bucket, AWS S3 bucket. And ultimately, the end user select the particular website and also the date, which select the particular date, and the final outcome, the summarized outcome will into the output. That's it, all about this project.
Right. So moving away from the technical details of the project, right?
Okay.
Which is something we can keep discussing all day. What I want to know about is your experience of writing the research paper. How was it?
Actually, this is very first time for me, working on articles and all these things. Um, so I feel very happy to work on this article, because I learned a lot of things while writing this article, and come up with the new vocabulary words. There is some sort of challenges while writing this articles because of plagiarism and all these things. So I come to know a lot of things by, and also parallelly work on the industrial experts. I get a lot of information from them.
And how
That's
do
it.
you think that research paper like this helps you in your long-term career growth?
I can add my resume also. This you can, I worked on this type of publishing and all this thing. It will help me to my resume to weight it.
Right. Any other points that you want to add about this research paper? Sure.
I
Anything
feel
else that you learned as part of this?
yeah, I got some kind of knowledge and how the research articles are written by others. I come to know that, and also improve my skills, this vocabulary and all this.
Right.
Ultimately, I am very happy to 360 Digit MC to giving these opportunities and all.
Okay. Great. So again, there we have it, friends. Experience by our friend Shiva Kumar, who's had his research paper published. So thank you so much, Shiva Kumar, for joining in today, and
Oh,
wish you all the best in the future. And thank you
okay.
everyone who has tuned in on this. And we will see you guys for the next session.